Hello everyone. For today's video, I will explain how to adjust the steering wheel. Before you make any adjustments, you should ensure that the seat is in the proper position, allowing your feet to easily reach the brake and accelerate pedals. Next, you can adjust the steering wheel. First, press down the lock switch on the lower right side of the steering wheel. Then you can move the steering wheel forward, backward, up, and down. After adjusting the steering wheel to the appropriate position, pull up the lock switch to secure the steering wheel. Of course, in the perspective of driving safety, we recommend positioning the steering wheel as far forward as possible and as low as possible, as this can reduce the blind spot in the front view and improve safety.